see all the view there. Fire burn over so. We up at one place me there. Freelance, so we are down in the jungle people. Far from human. We're not taking them view there. Yeah, man, I'm down in them place there, river there. Wagwan people supposed to hike up on the road today. Do this adventure, but me I tell you, say, be a really nice guy. Sit down here, watch Wagwan. Wonder if I forgot. Or if I don't forget, you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me see up there. What if I rain? What if I rain there up there? So no Wagwan. See there? Yeah, rain, man, I see over side, you know? What I view there. Yeah, man. There people me I wonder if I go in the bush. I just go on easy look, eh? Yeah, come. Why? And the rain me I run from. The rain. You know, I go in the jungle and then the rain come all the way, you know? Yeah man, I don't really want to go down in the jungle now. And then the rain come catch you people. Mm-hmm. Is that way? I wait for Cosman if Cosman come. You know, I'm good to go see him. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bathroom, that, you know. Yeah, of course, man, come go to go see him. Yeah, that's yeah. I'm there, I wonder what to do. Because I wonder what to do, you know. And I do, you know. Still, you don't want to go down in the jungle ever. And show us a boy. Catch a video. Get a good video. Yeah, I can't wait there. I'm going to go there again. Over there, I'm go down go down a flat rock. Show them I go on a flat rock, see them there. Yeah. Yeah, man, show them did I go on a flat rock over there. So I really don't want to go back down a flat rock again. I further down more, because we can go down a chant the whole two, you know. We can go down a chant the whole two people. So, yeah, I wonder what should I do? Anyway, place overcast, so I'm going to watch the rain. Yeah, man, one freelance TV out here, people, we are begging to support the movement. Can book in with if you want a good river tour them. Yeah, man, that time. Yeah, and the view nice. Yeah, the view nice. Like if you see, far. Yeah, the view nice, man, so. Of course, I'm coming in the morning, you know. Then I go down on the river. Go do one nice vlog also. Yeah, look at the sky. The overcast. The overcast. I'm still there, I wonder. Oh, yeah, You know, watch Roadblocks. You see, I watch my people say Kevin there. Yeah, man. Kevin he plays. Yeah, man, you might watch Roadblocks. Kevin, I watch Roadblocks. Anyway, that's right. People. Yeah, video not go long, you know, it's just a short, so I just want to know. Stick and stay, watch, I go and people remember, say, I still a go down in the jungle. Yeah, man, if you go down in the jungle anytime soon. Anytime soon, you know. Yeah, so. Yeah, people want to support freelance, you know, yeah, man, we're there. So, like, share, comment, and subscribe. That I. Yeah, let me see you all live view there. Fire burn over, so. We up at one place, me there, you know. Freelance, so we down in the jungle, people. Far, far, far from human. We're not taking them view there. Yeah, man, I down in them place there, river there.